Hello lovelies, welcome back again to my videos today. So in today's video we'll be making this delicious oha soup. Okay, so while we make this video, this oha soup, I'm going to be sharing with you the little about me. Okay, so first of all, my name is Chioma Lucy. Okay, so in today's video I'll be sharing with you how I wanted to become accountant but ended up not becoming accountant. Okay, so proceed to when I was in primary school. I used to say that I would love to be an accountant. I would love to study accounts in the university. Okay, so when we enter secondary school, I was also having in mind that I am going to study accounts in the university. Okay, proceed to when I was in SS1. Okay, so we had this teacher auntie who is taking us accounts. She was actually good, teaching us very fine, but after SS1 proceed to SS2, she stopped taking accounts. I don't actually know what happened. That one is between she and principal or whatever, the school, I don't know. So that is how they stopped taking us accounts. So I ended up including literature in my WAEC when I wrote WAEC. So after that, after WAEC, when I was about writing JAMB, I was also thinking, what am I going to study in the university? Because my initial plan was to study accounts in the university, but since I didn't write accounts in my WAEC, it is not going to be possible, and I am not ready to sit for another WAEC. So I ended up studying that is business administration. All thanks to God, because I never regret it. I can never regret me studying business administration. So proceed to when I finished my NYC, I got job. The first job I got was insurance job, and guess what? I did absolutely good. The second job I got was bank job. So guys, thank you so much for watching. In case if today is the first day you're coming across my channel, please do wait to click on the subscribe button to subscribe. I am a mom of 3 living in Nigeria. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop your comments in the comment section. I'm going to see you in my next video. My video always drop every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so do wait to check me out every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I love you guys. Bye for now.